what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Grom Gamer. Something that I've been wanting to do for a while is learn how to do wheelies, and I think today's the day that I finally rip the band-aid off and go ahead and give it a go. And yeah, if you stick around to the end, I might do a little bike reveal of my new bike that I just got as well. I don't plan on getting too crazy today. I'm basically just trying to get the front tire off the ground, and that's it. I'm not trying to hit balance point, I'm not trying to become an expert in one day. Really just want to get that front tire off a little bit. I did get a new bike, so I want to learn on this bike. It's just less consequential if I accidentally drop this bike for whatever reason. Hopefully I don't. Is this it? Do they even have a parking lot? They do have a parking lot. Oh, this looks promising. Yeah, I was trying to think of businesses that are closed on a Sunday. The only thing that was coming to mind was Chick-fil-A, and the Chick-fil-A is just way too crowded. It's closed, but it's like shares the same parking lot as Aldi and a few other places. Oh god, I'm scared. I've quite literally never done this before. I did watch some YouTube videos on it. I think I'm gonna face going the opposite direction. But I think it's basically just rev. And then, nope, that's not it. Hold on. I think it's just rev and drop the clutch. I'm in second. I watched some videos. They didn't say whether they were in first or second. I'm assuming it was first or second. I'm not really sure. All right, now we're in first. Oh, okay, that's a little better. All right, I think first might be the way. This probably looks so bad on camera. I mean, I can already tell. I already know these are like awful wheelies. I'm barely getting my front end off the ground. But I can only imagine on camera. It probably looks like these are the babiest of wheelies. All right, let's try it again. Oh my God. Okay, so first gear is better than second so far in my experience for this. Rev it up and just dump the clutch. I mean, this honestly seems pretty easy. I don't want to get too confident. Let's try it again. Keep my foot on the back rear brake. Oh, all right, I think I got the hang of it. Kind of, sort of. Is there a little trail back there? I might check that out here in a second. So what's the key to getting it up higher? Is it, do I need to lean back more, or do I need to give it more rev? Let's try both, maybe. Okay. Yeah, I guess what I want to learn next is how do I get the tire up a little bit higher for one, and then ride it forward a little. Oh, that felt awesome. I don't know what I did different. Oh, I think I'm getting the hang of this. I'm wondering what I have to do. Okay, so I mean, I'll check the block. I'll say I met my goal. I figured out how to get the front wheel off. But either way, I want to see what's back here. This kind of looks like a trail. It might just be a field. Yeah, this is not really a trail. This is more of an open field. Let's see if I can keep traction on it. Oh god, it's bumpy, soft, super soft. I mean, the good thing is if it ever gets too mushy under me, I could probably just put a leg down. I wonder if it's easier to wheelie on like grass or something like that. All right, last one before we pull out of this parking lot. Let's try it again. Not bad. Man, I hit two that felt really good. right? That was enough for me. That was about 10-15 minutes worth of just getting the front wheel off. And I don't want to keep going because I don't really know what to do next. I never really thought I would get this far. But I'm going to hop online, maybe ask ChatGPT, maybe watch some videos. Obviously, the comment section, you guys give me pointers, has always been really, really good, just for my knowledge base. But I'm going to do that, and then probably next weekend I'll try it again. But then try to do more. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys can see it. This silver strip on the side of my bike, I just found out how easy it is to do a vinyl wrap on that myself, just at the house. I'm gonna try to vinyl wrap that black, where I think it would look really clean if it was black instead of silver. And it looks super simple to do, just from the few YouTube shorts that I've watched. Like I said, I learned everything from YouTube. But yeah, I would say that's day one of wheelie progress for me. And then next thing I want to try to learn is maybe stoppies. I think it's as simple as basically just jamming on the front brake as I'm stopping, and it just... I also got a new bike. I've kind of soft revealed it, soft launched it, just through people that I've talked to, and I think I've posted a little bit about it on my socials. Nothing crazy. I haven't done any big posts or any videos yet, but I'm gonna do a quick new bike reveal. And then from there, I'm gonna start making a little bit of content on my new bike and mixing in content with my new bike and then also my old bike. I'm gonna keep my Grom as just like my little cruiser, my get around the city, super fuel efficient, super fun, super easy. And then also this is what I'm gonna learn to stunt on. That way I learn to stunt on this thing. I mean, it's like 200 pounds, 125 cc, super easy. That way later, I think I could grow into stunting on my bigger bike, maybe. Looks like I got some sun fading as well. Oh, I know what that's from. It's from all those gasoline spills every time I fill up. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little discoloration. This is a little like lighter. This is more black. I've got this stuff called Back to Black that I used to use in my old Jeep. That does really good at making these like black plastic fairings back to, you know, a darker, newer kind of black. Also, I got a lot of pollen. Truthfully, I should use this weekend wisely and wash this thing off, but maybe next weekend. Yeah, I mean, screw it. We're at a stoplight, so I'll show you. I'm gonna make this one black just to match these. Yeah, if anybody's got experience doing vinyl wrapping and has any pointers on that, feel free to holler at me on Instagram or on YouTube or in the comments, whatever. But I really want to do it, and it's just such a small plastic piece, like whatever. If it's not the best or perfect or whatever, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It's not like it's going to be a huge waste of time because it's so small. I'll just do it again and again and again until I get it right. And that's pretty much how I'm treating my Grom. This is like really good for experimentation, just learning and just, you know, trial and error on, because of just how approachable it is. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks everybody. If you guys got any wheelie pointers, safe wheelie pointers, like slow progression, let me get my feet underneath me and learn over time, please drop them in the comments. And yeah, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for all the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the content, if you got any pointers for me, please feel free to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. Anyways, until next time. See ya.